Miss Anamika was saying some of the word regarding failure, or she could speak some good word. Now we are call upon to the some of the another one who is ready to be on the stage now to say few words about their oncoming of topic. Is that the same topic will you follow na failure? So okay. Who is ready here to next one please to say the few word? Yeah. Mr. Raj is coming here. Put your hand together to Mr. Raj for saying few word about.
Thank you for clapping. Good morning, respected sir and dear friends. Today I want to say some words about my topic, failure. What is failure? Failure is that you did a work and not get success in this work. So this is failure. Failure is just uh, not success in any work, like as a education, business, and any other work. uh, Failure is just a game like football and other games. It means to do hard work but not success in those works. And failure in our society, failure is very common. At a man who prepare for any exams and not success in this, so the society is called that is failure is, and the failure also called as a fool. Failure is just not a matter on your future. It is just a matter to get a next step for your successful life. And the many others motivators and many other businessmen who will very successful in their life. So he also face the failure and also do hard work when he got failed. So he also take a big step on his successful life. So he became very successful. And in the end of the word, I'm saying that when you got failed in your life, so you don't fear this and get a big step on your successful life and get successful. Thank you very much.
So please you tell now who is ready to come on the stage now. Yeah, Miss Falak, please come. We put your hand together with the thunder of the sound. Yes, please come, Miss Falak.
Thank you for clapping. Respected sir and my dear friends, good morning. Now I'm here, Palak. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to deliver my speech. Now I would like to tell you what failure is. Failure is something that all people encounter in their life. In some situations, failure can make a person or break a person. Meaning a person can fail at something and just simply give up, and others will fail, and failure can give them the inspiration to try harder to one day achieve their goals. And I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Many of successful persons get failure before achieve success. So, but problem is that how do we get failure? So there are many of causes of get failure, but according to me, the main cause of failure are poor influences and bad habits, wrong mindset, lack of motivation, lack of discipline, dismissal past mistakes, and fatalistic attitude. There has also disadvantages like emotional distress and loss of resources. Failure can failure can result in wasted time, money, and efforts, and damage of reputation, fear of future attempts, etc. But in last, I wanna say, remember, every failure can brings you closer to your success, and every successful story includes failure. So, success, failure is not final, but a new beginning. And don't fear to failure. Embrace it's a chance to try harder and come back stronger. With these words, I would like to take back my seat. Thank you very much.
So now here Miss Falak was there. She was speaking and she could give to the wonderful result about failure, and now she could show her a good thought about in her wording about failure. Now we are call upon, we are going to be invited to the another one. Please come if you are just having yourself of the some mind and some word about failure. About failure. Who is coming next for saying the few words about failure? Yes, Mr. Gupta.
A very good morning to respected sir and my dear friends. I am Priyanshu Gupta, present here to deliver you my opinion on a very impressive topic, failure. So let's start this speech with a question itself. What is failure? A failure is a stepping stone towards success. For everyone, as similar to success, failure is that much important to us, as already we have mentioned our to success meant to us. So we never afraid of having failure or achieving failure in our life. If you are failed in any of your work, it is not an failure, my dear friend. It's the ways which you have innovated or which you have find to not to do to get the desired outcome or desired result which you wish to get. We never tired of, we never demotivated, we always feel motivated by our circumstances, by our situations, by our parents. Seeing our parents, we grows them by with seeing us, so we always feel motivated by seeing them, by seeing our situation. If you get motivation through yourself, through your inness, you never need outside motivation. Failure is like getting and learning many new lessons and many more getting many more new lessons and learning new things from your failure. So you should always you should always feel motivated and never feel demotivated by it. Set but stronger, be consistent, never be inconsistent, as consistency is the key to success. So at last I want to conclude my speech with a line that failure is not an end, it's a beginning of new journey towards success. Thank you.
Thank you for clapping. My name is Som and today I want to speak some words about my today's topic, failure. So I start my today's topic with a question: what is failure? So failure is not that you become fail in anything or doing anything, but failure is that you leave this way or this to by failures. It is the failure, and failure is the first step of the success. Failure motivates you to get success. Failure told you about your lackness, and failure also told you that lackness, and you have to fulfill this lackness. So success success comes when you fail. Many of the successful people told that the failure is the first step of the success. Just like J. Thompson, also failed many times in his experiment, but when he gets success, he will become popular. Just told us about the slackness, and we should improve this. Thank you.
My dear friend, my name is Shad. Now I want to speak somewhat about my topics, failure. So dear, I want focus on today my consider. So I want to explain with my goodness. No one gives up when he fails. He really lose when he stop trying to succeed. It is not become too pessimistic after failure. The person who find his become a lamp even in the darkness of failure. That person is successful and hardworking. Teach us failure the key to success because it given us two opportunities to learn. Failure when you fail is in something, we get opportunities to learn our mistakes. Failure makes and strong persistence and inspire us to move forward with a new direction and enthusiasm. Thank you for.
Is there anyone? Please get up. Yes, please come. Miss Anamika is coming on the stage to deliver her speech about success. Sorry about failure.
Thanks
Yes,
for
please.
clapping. Respected sir and dear guys, good morning. Lisa. Now I want to deliver on my speech failure. What is failure? An act, an act on intent of proving and so unsuccessful on lack of success. There is failure. But when do not some right time and want some right things and so success and failure. When when a product and when a product and service fail on satisfy and of in its satisfaction. Uh, when can learn and grow and unlimited ultimate active and activity grateful and healthy.
We are just welcoming to Mr. Shiva. Please.
Thank you for clapping. I want about some word about my topic failure. Failure is very important for our life because without failure you will not know price of success. But this is not failure. You have no money because many person he has no money. He is very happy. But many person is thinking that he has no money, so he is unsuccessful man. But many person is thinking that he has no job, so he is unsuccessful man. And many person is thinking that I couldn't making which is I thought, so he is unsuccessful man. So he is so that is depend your thinking. Thank you.